If you're working full time and looking to build a second income step by step, then this video is for you. Affiliate marketing is one of the most cost effective ways to build a second income in 2026. But here's what most beginners don't realize. The model itself is simple, yet most people who start never see meaningful results. Not because affiliate marketing doesn't work, but because they follow the wrong approach from day one. In this video, I will walk you through a clear beginner-friendly roadmap to start affiliate marketing the right way, even if you are starting after office hours. Let's begin. First, let's quickly understand what affiliate marketing actually is. In the last video, we discussed why relying only on salary is becoming increasingly risky in today's environment. Costs are rising, job markets are changing, and depending on a single income source is no longer the safest strategy. Affiliate marketing is one of the most accessible ways to build a second income today, and many working professionals are now starting to explore it seriously. So before we jump into the steps, let's quickly simplify how this model actually works. At its core, affiliate marketing is very simple. You promote someone else's product using your unique affiliate link, and when someone makes a purchase through that link, you earn a commission. In simple terms, you focus on the recommendation while the company handles the product, delivery, and support. This is what makes affiliate marketing attractive as a side income model. Now, this is where most beginners get it wrong. Affiliate marketing looks simple on the surface, but many people enter with a quick money mindset. They expect results within few weeks. They jump between strategies and they quit before momentum has time to build. Many beginners also underestimate how long it takes to build trust online. And without trust, even the best affiliate offers rarely convert. In reality, affiliate marketing rewards patience, positioning, and consistency, but no shortcuts. The people who treat this like a long-term skills are the ones who eventually see results. So instead of guessing what to do next, it helps to follow a clear structure. The approach I am using and the one I recommend for beginners is a simple 4-step roadmap. Follow these steps in sequence and you will avoid most early mistakes. Let's go step by step. Step 1 is choosing a focused niche. Instead of promoting everything to everyone, pick one category where people are actively searching for solutions. This could be finance, fitness, career growth, or software tools. Anything where a real problem exists and people are willing to invest in solutions. A focused niche also makes your content much easier to discover, especially in the beginning, because clear positioning helps the right audience find you faster. The goal is not to pick the perfect niche on day one. The goal is to pick one and stay consistent long enough to build authority. Because focus builds authority and authority builds trust. Personally, I am starting with YouTube because long form content allows you to explain concepts clearly and build deeper trust over time. But the platform itself matters less than consistency. Pick one platform, learn it well, and stay committed long enough to see momentum build. Step 3 is joining the right affiliate marketplace. Platforms like ClickBank, Digistore24, and Amazon Associate give beginners easy access to products they can promote. In the beginning, don't try to promote too many products. Focus on offers that are directly relevant to your niche and your audience, because relevance builds trust and trust drives conversions. Step 4 is where long-term success is actually built. Focus on creating value-first content that genuinely helps your audience solve real problems. A simple structure works very well here. First the problem, then the solution, and only then the recommendation or offer. When your audience consistently learns something useful from you, trust builds naturally. Over time, this trust becomes your biggest long term asset in affiliate marketing. Because people don't buy from links, they buy from sources they trust. And once trust is established, conversions become much easier. Let's set realistic expectations from the beginning. Affiliate marketing is not fast money, and it is definitely not a 1 week success model. It is a skill based income stream that compounds over time with consistent efforts. The people who stay patient and keep executing are the ones who eventually see meaningful results. If you are building a second income alongside your full time work, you are in the right place. I am documenting this journey step by step with complete transparency. Build your second income one step at a time. Subscribe if you want to grow with me. Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.